What's going on, guys? Spencer Clays here, and today we're doing a quick test. I've been driving past these two little sheds for the past, couple of years, as long as I can remember, and there's always been so much moss, like you guys can see here. Just the insane amounts of growth. A little better up there, Hawking. So yeah, we're gonna try two different moss treatments up here. We got zinc and laundry detergent. I'm gonna show you those in a second. So you guys will probably see me sprinkle this stuff, which is actually just an old container of the moss out stuff. It's a little bit thicker granules. But I have in here, this is the blue stuff you guys are probably seen. It's laundry detergent. So there's actually, the chemicals in it, I don't quite remember off the top of my head, but it raises the pH of the roof. It's a base, so similar to bleach or baking soda. Laundry detergent, that's what kills the germs. It's basic, whereas a lot of germs and like other stuff likes to grow in an acidic environment. And as well, we got moss, the Moss Beware, which is the zinc moss out. You guys see me on that, putting that all the time. So we're gonna put over half. We're gonna put half of it, the roof, with laundry detergent, and the other half with zinc. So we're gonna test, see kind of which does better. We're gonna come back in a few weeks and then, kind of see what does better. So let's get after it. All right, we are back. It's been about 2 weeks. Let's show you guys how it went. Pretty clear results. So that was the laundry detergent side. That was the zinc. As you can see, it's pretty much dead. This one's also pretty much dead, especially right over here. It comes off pretty darn easily. So that's kind of why when you treat it, it comes off a little bit easier. But I like to get it off when it's still alive, because you can then just treat it and it's not going to come back. Because even still, you can kill the moss, but it's just going to stay here. This is obviously only been about 2 weeks, but if you left it a few more weeks, it might have fallen off by itself. It might not, but I like to brush it off. You guys can see it comes off super easily. You don't even have to use much pressure at all when it's dead. And that is how you clean a roof. It's how you treat a roof. Keep it clean, keep your moss off of it. Get after it, let's go.